5.3 How to underglaze clay work or clay items. These are two items that have been underglazed already with underglaze. You'll see that they are quite colorful. What you need is that you need water, you need some paint brushes, you need a piece of paper towel, and then you also, of course, need some bought underglaze colors. I'm going to use the red, yellow, and blue colors today. So you'll see here some underglaze colors. This is red. Remember with the underglaze that you cannot mix them. You cannot mix the colors like with other work, like with painting and so on. You cannot mix the colors. So you use them all individually. So if you use a paintbrush, you clean it well again, and then you can dry it a bit on your paper towel, and then you paint your underglaze on again. You can use a HB pencil to draw up your design onto your clay item beforehand. You can underglaze items on bisqueware, like these two bowls, that's bisqueware, or you can underglaze items that's not bisque fired, like this pot, for example, this bowl that I've actually been busy with. This pencil is a special ceramic pencil, but this is quite expensive. So you can use a kind of pencil like this ceramic pencil if you want to draw onto your clay item and you want it fired like that you can see the pencil lines. If you use just an HB pencil, you won't see the lines after it's been fired. You can dip it into the colored underglaze and you make your pattern or your line or whatever you want to do. If you want the underglaze to come out more kind of a wash effect, you only paint one layer of underglaze onto it, but if you want it to come out nice and bright, you paint more layers of underglaze onto your bowl or item. So say at least 2 or 3, say 3 layers of colored underglaze onto it. After your bowl has been underglazed, you can fire it, and then you also will cover it with a see-through or clear glaze, and then it will be fired again. You can also use a sgraffiti method. That means that you scratch out onto the pattern with a little knife like this. So you can scratch out patterns over your pattern. You scratch out another pattern like there, and it will come out white. Underglaze comes out the brightest on a white surface. You can use it on a darker clay surface like this, but it will come out maybe a bit different. The colors would be darker and so on a darker clay surface. Remember to keep all your items, all the surfaces of everything that you want to underglaze clean. So just blow off any leftover dust or something like that. And yeah, and after you've used your underglaze, remember to close all your containers of underglaze and keep it safely. And that is how you underglaze your clay items.